Hi, and welcome to this Flowpaper web page builder tutorial, working with blocks to design your publication. Today you will learn how to quickly build pages by dragging and dropping content blocks onto your page, as well as how to edit, rearrange, and delete blocks. Let's get started. First of all, content blocks help to enable you to organize your content. You can also have as many content blocks as you like on one page. You know that you are looking at a block by the red label that appears in the top left corner when you hover over it. Every block can be filled with both columns and elements, which contain links, text, videos, and images. All the things you find in the Elements menu section. It is very easy to add a block to your publication. Simply head to the Blocks menu on the left-hand toolbar, select the block you would like to add, and drag and drop it into your publication. To begin importing, select the column within your new block and head to Import. Then head down to the section you want to include and double-click on the elements you want to bring over. Now let's style this new added material a little. First, I will adjust the view height to 70. Now let's add some color. That looks good. It's also easy to rearrange your blocks. You can simply select the block and drag and drop it anywhere you like. Why don't we take a look at your finished publication? Looks great! But what if you aren't happy with the block you have added and want to get rid of it? Let's head back to Flowpaper and delete the block by selecting it and then hitting the trash icon. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching this Flowpaper web page builder tutorial on working with blocks to design your publication. You can find more tutorials to help you through this process online.